I'm gonna show you one of our very beautiful project, Mstoria. And right now we are standing in front of 500 square of floor. So you get two car parks per apartment, and this is a ground plus two structure. So we have ground floor, first and second floor, approximately 3,000 and 3,500 square feet each. So the biggest advantage of ground floor is you get three-sided lawn, front, back, and the corner. As you can see, when we enter to the townhouse at the main entrance, you get security system of Godrej, which has a video conferencing facility as well. So you can lock or unlock this main door from your apartment itself. And when we enter to the townhouse, there are the staircases which are going towards the basement. So at the basement we have, -1 level, we have a basement of first and second floor, and this staircase takes you to the first and second floor. We also have a provision for lift just at the front. So this is just a false wall in case if lifts are required, so you can install the lift as well. Now this is the main entrance, the grand entrance, which is more than 4 feet wide. When we enter to the floor, first of all, this is a 4-bedroom unit. So when we enter to the apartment, you can see we have a powder room right at the entrance for guests. We're giving you all the electrical fittings of Schneider. And on the right, we have first bedroom, which is a guest bedroom with wooden flooring. Now the best part is here we are giving you space for the cupboards with each and every bedroom area. And this has an attached washroom with all CP fittings, sanitary wares, and a shower area. Going forward to the dining, which is 12.5 by 12, and a kitchen which is again 12.5 by 12, which is a very good size for a kitchen. This kitchen also connects you to the dryer and washer area over here, and this takes to the servant room because this is 4-bedroom and servant unit. So this is with attached washroom. You get very good ceiling height, all designer tiles, flooring, and a huge living area of 16 by 15. Now the best part is here in this apartment, all the bedrooms, your living, dining are directly connected to the lawn area because we are giving you 3-sided lawn in this apartment. Look at the natural light. Plus there is another advantage. This ground floor unit has an interconnected basement, which is of 900 square feet, which I'll show you later. Then we have a second bedroom. As you can see, we have a separate space for the cupboard. Again, wooden flooring connected to the lawn with attached washroom. And the shower area is there. That's the third bedroom. It's beautiful wooden flooring. Beautiful view from the outside towards the lawn. There is another jogging track just next to the lawn area, which I'll just take you there. Another washroom area with all CP fittings and sanitary wares. And here's the master. Master has a huge size, 12 by 16 is the size of the master, and this master also has attached dressing where you can put your cupboards. Another fully fitted washroom. Plus there is another thing. From this master bedroom, you can directly connect to the third side of the lawn. So this connects to the front as well as back. So that's a rear lawn area. So this is how you can connect from your living directly towards the lawn. So we have partially placed tiles on the lawn area, and we have green so that if you want, you can do bonfire sessions or cooking sessions over here with household parties. And this directly connects to the jogging track. This jogging track connects to all the 6 clusters like this. Thank you.